Okay, in this video I'm going to walk through how I've figured out how to download and grade using It's Learning. That's actually a pretty quick process. It doesn't require additional save as type steps to locations. So just run through this. So I have a student submittal here, and I have two different two different files. One is a PDF file that all students submit through PDF files for me, and the other is a Word doc. This is not a DOCX DOC. And I'm not using, if I just select the actual document, this comes up in Word Online, this editor, which you can't make comments on, you can't really grade. As I can see, there's issues with the file here. I'd have to mark it up so it gives kids feedback. So I can't do that. So I'm not only use this grader. What I actually do is I just select this download button. And I've gone ahead and set up the default in Chrome so that the PDF is opened with my system viewer, which I set up as default to be my Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Then I can go in and just grab my comment tools, and I can start making comments directly onto my students' work and just start grading this. They're missing center marks, center lines, and the like. So of course, then I'd go ahead and start the assessment. Give me a rubric here of what is missing, and then I can go ahead and take points off as needed. Then I can put a text box and then assign a grade. So let's just say this out of 100, that's what it would be. Not accurate, but just to run through this video, we'll go ahead and do a save. We'll save this out, and then just go ahead and close it. Where it actually saved was saved to my downloads. So if I come back in here, I can see these are some of the things that I've been working with and grading, and this is in my local C user, my name here, and then downloads. And I can see that this is the last one that I just brought in here. This is the latest time. So what I'll do is I just come back into It's Learning, and I can then go down to the bottom, hit Add Attachment, and from the window, select the file, bring it over, and drag it in. It's a little cumbersome. But it works. I can use my PDF editor to grade. The other thing I also like about this is I can also do Word docs. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to go in, and it's necessary to keep your downloads clean. So you just have to make sure you keep your downloads clean. That's ThreadSpec Worksheet. So it's going to actually come in as ThreadSpec Worksheet 2. So to keep that coming in as not coming in as 2, I'm going to select that and delete that again. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'll just do the same thing again. I'll hit my download button. Yeah, let's say it's okay to leave the page. Go ahead and open up Word. And here I have not set this up to open up default where it says always open files of this type. I'm just going to hit open. Now it's going to open up. So this is the student submittal for their fastener specification worksheet. And I go down and look at this. It all looks great. Good. I can go ahead and create comments on this if necessary. If I need to highlight something, I can highlight and turn it red and the like. So go ahead and I'll just hit save, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this as well. So that's now closed, and I can go back into my It's Learning and attachments, open this up, and then I can take this and drag. This is the student submittal that got saved to my downloads, and go ahead and drag that over to my It's Learning submittal page. So you just have to have a understanding of how to manipulate file folders and drag and drop back over, but you can now grade fairly quickly, I think, still paperless, using It's Learning.